Okay, let's take a start with speaking part 1. How do children celebrate birthdays in your country?
In many countries, most of the children celebrate their birthday in different ways. But in my country, children celebrate their birthday by inviting their friends and also their parents. Last time, I celebrate my
I
nephew.
celebrated.
I celebrated my nephew's birthday, and we invited lots of our relatives
Okay,
and.
thank you. How did you celebrate your last birthday?
I My last birthday was I celebrated my last birthday in hotel. I My friends arranged dinner, and he gave me
They gave me.
he gave me
They gave me.
they gave me a delicious dinner, and they arranged.
Okay, there are so many pauses as you speak, and you're speaking like you're struggling with English. So, this expression of struggle should be removed from there. Otherwise, if you're struggling with English, examiner will take you to 4.5 to 4 band or 5 band. That is, you're struggling with the language. Struggling means मुश्किल से English बोल रहे हैं. So just come out of this expression. Let's go on. What kinds of birthday gifts do you like to receive? What kind of birthday gifts do you like to receive? I always love to receive perfume as a birthday. सोचना क्या बोलना है जो दिमाग में आता है बोल दें.
I always like to somebody gave me some gifts like watch or a perfume, but mostly I like perfumes because fragrance show your personality. Because when you get together with other people, they judge you by your fragrance, because fragrance shows your personality.
Okay, why do children like to celebrate their birthday?
Uh, because it's give him very happy, so they are very
Children like to celebrate their birthday because for them it's a feeling of happiness.
feeling.
On the other hand, when they turn 4, 5, 6, 7, they have a feeling that they are growing and they feel achievement in that growth. So that is why children always love to celebrate their birthday. Right? Come up with ideas, good ideas to express yourself, and don't struggle. Practice a lot. Make yourself familiar with all these topics ताकि आपको struggle ना करना पड़े. मतलब like with a lot of pauses and breaks, that is going to be negative. Okay, all right, thank you.